Good morning, students. Now we are going to study second type of sentences based on structure, that is compound sentence. In previous video we studied simple sentence. Now we are going to study compound sentence. Students, before we start, what is a compound sentence? I want to recall a clause. A clause, it is a group of words, contains subject and a verb. I repeat, a clause, it is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. Even we have studied main clause and subordinate clause, independent clause and dependent clause. A clause that has complete meaning, it is main clause or independent clause. And subordinate clause that does not have complete meaning. To complete meaning, it depends on the main clause. Now we come to our main topic, that is compound sentence. What is a compound sentence? Students, please listen. A sentence having two independent clauses joined with coordinating or correlative conjunctions. I repeat, a sentence having two independent clauses joined with coordinating or correlative conjunction. See here, compound sentence. A sentence having two independent clauses. Two independent clauses. Two independent clauses, it means both have complete meaning. Two clauses both have complete meaning. And these two clauses joined with coordinating or correlative conjunction. Already we studied what are coordinating conjunction and what are correlative conjunctions. Studied in 6th standard, in 7th standard and 8th standard also. Excuse me. Coordinating conjunction, they are fanboys. F-A-N-B-O-Y-S. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Fanboys. And the correlative conjunctions, they are in pair. Both, and, either, or, neither, nor. So, two independent clauses joined with coordinating or correlative conjunction, then the sentence is a compound sentence. I hope you have understood the meaning of a compound sentence, or you have understood the characteristic or a feature of compound sentence. Two independent clauses joined with coordinating or correlative conjunction. Now see some of the sentences. He was ill, so he was absent yesterday. He was ill, so he was absent yesterday. Now if we observe this sentence, it has two clauses. First, he was ill, and second, he was absent yesterday. And both the clauses, they have complete meaning. Both can stand independently, and that is why both the clauses, he was ill and he was absent yesterday, both are independent clauses. And these two clauses joined with conjunction so, and so it is coordinating conjunction. So this sentence, it is a compound sentence. We know coordinating conjunction, fanboys. For, and, not, but, or, yet, and so. So here coordinating conjunction so is there, and two independent clauses are there. He was ill, complete meaning. He was absent yesterday, it has also complete meaning. So two independent clauses joined with conjunction so, and so it is coordinating conjunction. So it is, this sentence, it is a compound sentence. Now see the next example. I met a lady and she had a blue umbrella. Here also there are two clauses. I met a lady and she had a blue umbrella. Both the clauses, they are independent, as they both have complete meaning. and these two clauses, they join with coordinating conjunction and. So this second sentence, I met a lady and she had a blue umbrella, it is also a compound sentence. Now third sentence, I reached home and found the house locked. I reached home and found the house locked. Here also two clauses. I reached home and second, found the house locked. Now some students have a question that in the second clause there is no subject. But remember, when there is no subject, it means the subject of main clause, that is the same subject. And that is why we omit, we are not writing the subject. Here the subject invisibly, that is we assume I only. I reached home and I found the house locked. But as the subject is same, so we do not write. We do not use the subject twice. That is why I reached home and found the house locked. So first clause I reached home and second found the house locked. And both the clauses, they have complete meaning. And both the clauses join with coordinating conjunction and. So this sentence, it is also a compound sentence. So sentence having two independent clauses joined with coordinating or correlative conjunction, it is a compound sentence. Now students, I want to draw your attention. My friends and I went to London. Now see this sentence. Here at first glance we can see that it has coordinating conjunction and. So we think that this sentence, it is a compound sentence. But sorry, if you observe this sentence, then it has only one finite verb, went. And that is why this sentence, it is a simple sentence, because it has only one finite verb, went. Yes, this sentence has my friends and I went to London. This sentence has coordinating conjunction and. But it does not have two clauses, and that is why this sentence, it is not a compound sentence. Because compound sentence has two independent clauses and they join with coordinating or correlative conjunction. So students, I hope you have understood what a compound sentence is. Thank you students.